Okay, let me make a super official blanket shrinking tutorial for the oil one. Only for oil one. Only apply to oil one, no matter it's 1.7 or 3.2. Only apply to oil one. Okay. First is the schedule of the shrinking. You can see it's a very long time. So generally set 170. When it's reached 170, now you can consider reach 170. Okay. Then you're starting to put a timer for 2 hours. And after that, you change to 200. But you only start counting timer when it's actually reached 200. And this step is most important. Don't cut corners. Actually, don't cut corner on every step. Now, common question is if you paused in the middle or failed in the middle, what to do? You have to start over. Start over from here. Okay, so this is a long time, I know, but if you load shedding or whatever happens, start over. And if load shedding happens, you lose the blanket, so they do not tie it. Okay. Then second, how to tie it is tied. First thing is this one, do not hold like that, you hold like this. By one hand, not two hands, one hand. One hand you tied it, you cannot turn, that is tied. Okay, you can lose it, but you can tie it enough by one hand, that is tied. And you can feel this is a kind of the bouncy, it's good. And if your blanket didn't shrink well, some place were less bouncy, you use the position bouncy because you cannot really pull much from this side. Okay, that's the about the blanket itself. Then it's not like electronic one, we're starting from loose. Okay, let's from now for the oil one, we're starting from tight. Starting from tight, you use one hand, make sure it's tight. Then during the process, you keep tightening it. Because this machine is stronger, they're gonna stretch it. Stretch the blanket. So this one become longer, that's why I keep tightening. Okay. Then during the process, you can see now it's about 3-4 finger on this side. It's about one more finger on this side, and they gonna shift. Let's just make assumption is shift this side. For example, at a certain stage, you shouldn't shift here. What to do? What you do is change the direction to reverse. You press reverse. They're gonna reverse. You see, they're gonna reverse to a different direction. You see, let me reverse back. Maybe press forward. Okay, so they're gonna be forward. Go forward. They're gonna go reverse. Oh, okay, we stop first. And then change the direction. Okay, then change direction. Once you change the direction, you watch about 10 minutes. Does it shift back? If it shifts back, it's fine. Leave everything as it is. If it's eventually come to this side, you reverse direction again. Okay. Only situation is if do not move. After 10 minutes, you do not move. Then let's assume it's come to this side, okay? Then you do on this both. If it goes that side, you do the opposite way. You can see here, they have a structure to holding this bearing by a very big bolt. This is to position it. If the blanket is on this side, then we need to moving this one that way. A little bit. How many? A little bit. You put a spanner here. You turn half of the circle, 180 degree, half the circle. So make it losing that way. You check the thread. Anyway, moving that way, half the circle. Then you watch another 10 minutes. See if it moves. If not move, repeat until it moves. Okay. Then during the process, you watch the temperature. And also you regularly come here to check if starting to lose, you tighten it. Okay? That's
for electronic.
No, that's for oil heat press. The procedure. Okay, let me make a last shot. This is Celsius. This is time.